What does that mean? An intense feeling of affection. That tells you nothing. And this is why most of us are in love with the wrong things, because we do not understand what these words mean. And this is me included. This is why I define so many words now. This is why I keep making sure that I'm unlearning everything that I learned and I'm relearning it for me. Like, we have to start looking at this. I'm not exempt from this either. So don't think, oh, Jason's preaching at me from the YouTube. He's preaching at me from TikTok. No, I'm doing this stuff too because, yo, I know what I want in my life. I know where I want my life to be. And I've seen what the life that I don't want. I remember what it felt like growing up in Redbird and living in South Oak Cliff, going and seeing all that. Even when I go visit now as an adult, those memories come back and I'm like, oh shit, people still living in this show? Jason don't love that. I do not love that lifestyle at all. And that's the thing that you need to catch on right there. Most people are in love with a lifestyle.